Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how you can add a caption to images in WordPress. So right now I'm on WordPress. Let me just add an image, which I'll do right now. Let's click right there and let's click on media library. So basically when uploading an image, you can actually add a caption right away, and you can do that right here. So you can do that before actually uploading it to the WordPress website. Right there you'll find caption. And this is where you can add a caption to your image on WordPress. So I'll just type in my channel name, or no, let me just type subscribe. There you go. Then click select, and there you go. So right now you can actually add a caption to your images, which will then show up right there. Now you can play around with that text, you can change the color and all of that, but that's totally up to you guys. But that's pretty much how you can add a caption to an image on WordPress. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments down below, and I'll try and get back to you. I'm getting many comments every single day now, so it's hard to get back to every single one of you, but I try. So make sure you just leave a comment down below, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.